You have a Fire TV stick and want to get the last one out, i.e. turn on the turbo. We'll show you. To do that, if you have a Fire TV stick for a long time, a lot of data waste collects over time, such as the unused apps and much more. This causes the stick to get slower and slower. We want to show you today how you can get the last one out and put it back in front, i.e. delete data waste and make the stick faster. Let's take a look at what we've collected over time. It's a new stick for me, so there won't be much on it, but let's take a look at it anyway. We go to the settings, then there is this point here, My Fire TV, here we go in, the next point is on info and here on storage, and here we see 11.14 gigabytes of 12.98 available. We will now start this app or download this app and then look at the difference in how much storage have gained here. To download the app, we have to go to our App Store and here on the folder Further Apps. And here we are now looking for the app, and this one has the name Super Cleaner. So, let's look for it now. So, with a distance, and this should be found right away. Super Cleaner. This is an app specifically for the Fire TV stick. So, we found Super Cleaner. Here is the app, which we also install at the same time. Here you have the overview again. Then we have here, of course, that we delete unnecessary data and also the cage. And fast and safe Fire TV, so the stick also gets through much faster. We download the app. It only takes a few seconds, the app is not particularly large. And it is already installed. In addition, you have compatible devices on the right, that is, here you can then see which devices compatible with this app. So open. Then we have to accept the whole thing, of course. And now start cleanup and boost. Then allow, otherwise the whole thing will not work. And that's it. Let's take a look now to see if the whole thing has affected anything. As I said, because my stick is relatively new here, there won't be a lot of data on it. Let's see anyway. Here again to info and to storage. A little something has happened, not much, but at least. So with this app you can really get the most out of your Fire TV stick and accelerate it again, so it has full speed again. If you have any questions about this app or this video, please post them in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We say thank you for watching and goodbye.